Most big YouTubers tell you that getting your first 1,000 subscribers is the hardest thing you'll ever do. They tell you to just post every week and find your passion. That is the biggest load of dirt I've ever heard. The truth? Most people fail to hit 1,000 subs not because they aren't working hard, but because they are following an outdated blueprint from 5 years ago. They're digging for gold in a parking lot. Today we're exposing the first 1,000 subs lie, and I'm giving you the actual, raw blueprint that works right now. Welcome to Tube Dirt. The first lie you've been told is, you just need to be consistent. Look, if you post a bad video every day, you don't get a big channel. You just get a library of garbage. The algorithm doesn't have a loyalty meter. It doesn't care that you've posted for 20 weeks straight. It only cares about one thing: satisfying the viewer who is on the app right now. Search is the shovel. Browse is the gold mine. Search views are one and done. Someone looks for how to fix a sink. They watch your video and they leave. They don't subscribe. But browse views, the videos YouTube puts on your home screen, those are based on human psychology. To get these, your title shouldn't just be, How to Grow on YouTube. It should be, I tried 50 growth hacks, only one worked. See the difference? One is a boring manual, the other is a story. Stories get subscribers. Manuals get one-time viewers who forget you the moment the video ends. Here is the real dirt. You are likely spending 90% of your time editing and only 10% on the title and thumbnail. That is completely backwards. If the packaging isn't great, the product is never opened. We call this CTR, click-through rate. For your first 1,000 subs, I want you to design the thumbnail before you even hit record. If you can't make a thumbnail that looks exciting in your head, the video isn't worth filming. You need high contrast, a clear curiosity gap, and no more than 4 words of text. If you can't win the click, you've already lost the war. The path to 1,000 subscribers isn't a straight line. It's a trench. It's messy, it's hard, and 90% of people quit because they want the shiny version of success. But you're here. You want the real strategy. Your homework for this week: stop worrying about your sub count. Focus on your average view duration. If you can get people to stay for half of your video, YouTube will have no choice but to push you to 1,000 subs and beyond. I'm digging deep into a specific thumbnail hack in my next video. If you want the blueprint, hit that subscribe button and join the crew. I'm the voice of Tube Dirt, and it's time to get to work. I'll see you in the trenches.